Hello guys! Aray ko na!
Hi.
So lalabas kami ngayon. Ayan.
And
Fix
today I'm
natin yung
gonna
konti.
teach you how to jump on the bed. So first you have the bed. Push your body weight against the air.
Careful, you might step on the...
Yeah. And land on the thing, and that's how you become a pro jumper. See?
And we are not supposed to be jumping on the sofa. Okay, come on here. Uh-oh. Careful. We are going to the park.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Rachel can
Play.
ride her bike.
Play.
Yeah. Play, gani. Pareho ra na. They're just the same. Yeah. So, okay yung panahon ngayon, pero kapag ka, naghahapon na siya guys, doon nagsisimula yung ulan. Minsan malakas masyado yung ulan tapos may thunder pa siya, pero humihinto naman siya after a while. Siguro yung pinakamatagal na is, let's just say 1 hour ganun. Ganito talaga kapag ka-summer dito sa Florida. Dali na, Dirina, so I can, fix your hair. It's very playful. Dali na. Halika dito. Here.
I'm bored.
Yeah, I know you're bored. That's why you have to hurry up.
I wanna.
over here.
I don't wanna go to the playground yet.
Okay,
I wanna be inventing stuff. I wanna be inventing stuff, not going
Alright.
to the playground right
Yeah,
now.
but we don't have any more time.
That's such a waste of the time to go to the playground.
You have a lot of time to do your inventions or whatever.
Yes, we have a lot of time if you're using it up.
Yeah, so ito yung paborito namin na puntahan na park, yung malaking park. Kasi you can do a lot of things over there and a lot of people are going to that park, especially every Sunday. Yeah. Meron din naman, malapit lang naman siya sa amin. Siguro it takes us 15 minutes to get there. Meron din namang medyo mas malapit talaga, siguro is just 5 minutes drive from here. Pero maliit siya na park. Yun din yung madalas namin na pinupuntahan. Kita-kits na lang tayo guys kasi ready na si Daddy.
Go!
Nandito na kami sa park. Nandito namin madalas. Ha? Yeah, we'll be there. So mag-walking lang muna kami, ako, while Rachel is riding her bike. Nandun siya, oh. Yan. So, ito, as I said, ito yung paborito kong park kasi malaki siya. Malaki siya. And, kumbaga, mas maraming magagawa pa doon. Nung bata pa si Rachel, mga 1 years old and half, up to like, maybe 4 years old, madalas namin siyang dinadala dito. Oops, careful. Yan. Nandoon yung playground. Yeah, to enjoy there. All right, come on, let's go here.
Kids, leave the park, please.
Okay.
You can
Get off the bike for now. Get off the bike.
go to the main event at least. Kids, go to main event.
Think.
Stop going to the park. Go to the main event.
Okay, here.
Try the claw machines. They're scams.
Nandun na si Rachel. Oh. Yung iba, nagdadala sila ng parang swing. Tapos nilalagay, nagaduyan ba? Nilalagay nila sa Tapos nagaduyan sila dito. Nandun na si Rachel. Gusto niya na kasi talagang pumunta sa playground para makapaglaro siya. And then wala naman akong kasama na magbaktas, maglakad-lakad. Sabi ko, mamaya na muna, magbike ka muna. Pagkatapos mong magbike, punta tayo kay Daddy. Yun yung nila o playground. Nandun si Daddy nakaupo. Madaming tao ngayon. Usually kapag weekdays, depende din sa panahon. Sometimes walang masyadong tao during the week. Pero pag Sunday, marami talagang tao dito. Yan. Nag-walking. Family friendly, manggod siya kaayo. Wait, atubang na ako ni. Na guys, nag-alas 8 na ba? Yeah. Kasi we left the house around 7:30. Yan. And ito, may araw pa siya, may araw. Medyo maliwanag pa siya. Hindi kami magtatagal dito. Para lang talaga makapag exercise, makalabas ng bahay, ganyan, and makapaglaro si Rachel. Yeah, usually guys, lumalabas kami ng bahay kapag like tapos na lahat ng dali lang. Tapos na lahat ng gawain sa bahay. Ganon yung ginagawa ko, and then nakaluto na para parang wala na akong iniisip kapag lumabas kami. And then pagbalik ng bahay, kain na lang. Or sometimes kumakain kami before kami pumupunta dito. Yan. Mas gusto ko kasi yung ganito kasi madaling nakakatulog. Especially kapag, of course, pagod ka, di ba? Dito, sometimes may mga nagfi-fishing dito. Yeah. Dito tayo. Masarap dito mag-grill. Ayan dyan. Kaso lang sometimes may mga grabe yung mga bugs. Sometimes namumula yung ilong ko. Look at this. Nandito si Daddy. O, nandun pa si Rachel. Masarap yan dyan, parang water sprinkler. Especially kapag mainit. Pero ayaw ni Daddy na maglaro si Rachel dyan kasi alam mo na, hindi natin alam. Sometimes dyan tayo nakakuha ng yung mga ringworms. Okay, you wanna play? You got your leggings on, right? Okay, go.
I hate these kids because they're so wild.
Oh no, that's fine. They're just, little kids.
Mom, I don't know where to put my phone, Mama.
Put your legs out. There you go. Mag-swing po. Okay, I'm gonna go swing, okay? Right. Oh!
Right. Yeah, that driving can be long and annoying.
Past 8 na, ayaw pang umuwi ni Rachel. Madami pang mga bata dito na naglalaro. Sawa ko, busy sa phone. Okay. Alright. Maganda ito, oh. Okay. You wanna start in here?
Yes, I want to stay.
Yes. Almost everybody is living. Yeah.
I'm so happy about that.
Okay, yes. But we cannot be here all by ourselves. Yep. Nandun na si Haring si Haring Moon. Haring Moon. Asa na to? Dili man siya kaay makita. This one. Yeah, nandyan na ang moon. Late na. Past 8 na gyud. Okay. Come on, hurry up! Wala na masyadong mga tao. Nauna na si Daddy. Come on, Rachel.
I let the alligators eat me.
Oh my
Come on,
goodness.
Alligators eat me.
No, you eat the alligators.
No, we can't eat the alligators.
Yeah, I'm just kidding. Okay. Come on, let's go. How about here? You wanna climb on here?
I
On the
want to
rope?
do something really fun and really cringe.
Okay, that one. Cringe. Very cringy. Okay, let's go. Because it's going to be disrespectful if we will have daddy wait for us.
Yes.
Mhm. Yeah. Okay, aalis na kami.
But
Yan.
before we are going to the water pool. Yay!
Oh, yeah.
Go to the water pool, guys. I'm just kidding.
Careful.
You guys were bold. We're not going to the water pool.
Yeah. Ay. Ganito lang ang kaligayahan namin dito. Simple lang. Simple lang. At least daily kuan. Hindi complicated. Ito si Rachel. Just keep going. I'll go here. So, pauwi na kami. Dulong na. Ay. Okay. So,